What we'll be doing next is a few basic steps to prepare to build our cookbook. These are setting up our website to be easy to work with so that we can just copy and paste recipes from the website into our cookbook that we're building. And the second thing that we're doing is we're building a list of recipes with the URL of each recipe that we're going to put into the cookbook. Once we've done this, we're all set to march through recipe by recipe, copy, paste, until we've got all our recipes there. After that, we'd be going to the formatting stage, which will be in the next video. First, let's take a look at the website. For formatting, I've been using Easy Recipe Plus for a long time. I think it's the best way to display your recipes on the site and also for printing. So here we're looking at one of my recipes, and you can see how it's formatted on the website by Easy Recipe Plus. We're not going to be using this version. We're going to be using the print version. So if I click on print, you see a much simpler display. Now this particular display, you have a choice of 3 different print layouts and something like 6 different website layouts. Now this particular layout is the one that's on my website, but it's hard to work with when it comes to formatting an eCookbook. This table here is a mess to reformat. It's a real pain in the butt. So I need to go to my website and change which layout is used in the print format. So let's take a look at my website. Here we're in the dashboard, and I go down to Easy Recipe Plus down here and click on it. That puts me into the settings, and we've got these tabs across the top. So the first way we saw this recipe was the display style, which is what shows on the website, and I have chosen Tastefully Simple. I like that one the best. And you'll see it looks really similar to this display that we saw, which was like so. That's what Tastefully Simple looks like. Alright, now if I look at print styles, I also use Tastefully Simple, and that's difficult to reformat for the cookbook. So I need to switch to a simpler layout, which is Legacy Print. When I use Legacy Print, I have very little reformatting to do. It saves me a whole lot of time. So we're going to save the settings. This was the print version. Now what we've got is a simpler one. You notice it doesn't have the table at the top. We're ready to start collecting recipes and copying and pasting into our Word document where we're building our cookbook. So we want to pull together a list of what recipes go in, and we want them to be organized by category. So the way I do this is I call it a dump file. I just march through the front end of the site, march through the recipes, and go, oh, this one looks like one I want in the cookbook, let's grab it. And I grab the URL. I want to end up with a cookbook with about 12 recipes in it, so I'm going to pick out about 24 or 30 or so. These are possibilities. Loosely organized by category. Alright. And then once I've got all my possibilities, I'm going to go through and narrow the list down to my favorite 12. And I'll probably eliminate a category or two. I want to keep it simple and make a nice, well-organized cookbook. So what I ended up with after doing that is my master list. And I've got, about 8 recipes here. I'm only going to use maybe 5 for the purposes of this video.